Welcome to my channel. So today I will talk about the top 10 or my favorite 10 income streams that will help you in your future. Everyone wants to make money, whether it is offline or online, but when you have proper guideline of making money and when you have the skills, you can really make money, whether it is online or offline. So number one, we can talk about the pod. What does it mean, pod? Print on demand business. Print on demand business is so much popular among the people who are making huge money. Whether you are an artist, you are a designer, or an entrepreneur, print on demand business can interesting source of easy passive income, and it will allow you to monetize your skills for sure. What you have to do is you have to deal with the suppliers to personalize white label products such as t-shirt, printers, backpacks or books and sell them on pre-order basis. With this business model you don't need to pay for the product after you have but you have to pay after you sold it. There are no bulk purchases to make and no inventory to manage. Here are the advantages that make a print on demand business. You create product quickly and get them sell in a minutes. Processing and shipping handled by your supplier. Once your store is up and running, you can make passive income and you can easily make a good amount of money. Number two is selling digital products. Digital products are multimedia resources of elements that you cannot touch, but you can use it and sell it in multiple times. No need to have go down, no need to have your inventory to sell those digital products. And the example of digital products are the e-books, video courses, WordPress themes, plugins, images, arts, all the digital things you cannot touch but can sell. Digital products offer attractive passive income streams as their margins are very high. You create a unique resource which you can sell online, and you have no inventory to build, and you can sell as many digital products as you like. Suppose you have created a video course regarding how to make money online with Amazon affiliate website. You have created this course and you want to sell this course 1 million times. You can sell this course 1 million times online. So I have said before, you can sell multiple times, whether it is 1 million sell, whether it is 2 million sell. It's digital product, no, not physical. Suppose you have created a book on weight loss. You can sell 10 million times even faster, and you will get the maximum profit in your account. Number three, we can talk about give online courses to generate passive income. It's easier than ever to sell courses online for passive side hustle. Marketing, illustration, entrepreneurship. Create courses on the subject of your choice and start selling them in just a few clicks. Just like digital products, you can sell them on online market platforms and on your website too. Online market platforms like Udemy, Coursera, Domestika, they will sell your course on their platforms, and they will manage all the marketing techniques, and they will do all the selling preparations. What you will get the commission of your product or course. Suppose your course is like $50 in Udemy, you will get 37% for your course, like $20 for one sale. By doing this you can sell multiple times and you will get generating passive income. As an online educator, you choose the length of your courses and then size of your classes. You can offer one-to-one lesson or live training and lessons. If you like to work with larger classes, want to avoid direct interactions, no problem. Create fully downloadable courses as that students can follow at their own pace. Number four, we can talk about become a blogger, and let me tell you, blogging is making huge money. Lots of people are making money and making passive income by blogging. What is blogging? You are writing your own thoughts in your website and people are visiting your website. You are getting a good amount of handsome money because of the visitors, and you are writing with your passion. This is blogging. Building blog takes time, but if you create high quality content and showcase it on your platform, your audience will be large enough and you can easily monetize your website. You can monetize your blogging website in AdSense, in Ezoic and other platforms. Bloggers are not making money only by from ads. They are making money by selling affiliate products in their blogs, by creating sponsored content in their blogs, by selling their own products through their blogs, and the last one is advertising via Google AdSense or Ezoic. So you can make a living by blogging, and if you have the proper guideline, you can do it. Number 5, we can talk about sell handmade products as beginner passive income streamer. With the meteoric rise of e-commerce, the scope of building and growing an online business is enormous. There are hundreds of online sites and marketplaces where you can sell. Some have specific niches such as video games or handmade goods, while others let you sell whatever you want. The initial investment is twofold. You need to buy the necessary supplies and spend time making and selling your handmade products, such as jewelry, poetry, or clothing. By selling through your online store, you pay less on each sale and you can develop your own brand. Number 6, we can talk about the affiliate marketing, and this is the best way of passive income. What is affiliate marketing? Suppose let's have a look at Amazon. Amazon is a website, and Amazon have lots of categories of products, like millions of products in 20 or 30 categories. There are some main categories, there are some subcategories, and there are some niche categories, and there are some micro niche categories. Like if you talk about the electronic is a niche. Under the electronics, mobile phone or computer is a sub niche. And if you talk about the hard disk is a micro niche. So if you create a website with on hard disks, it's called micro Amazon affiliate niche website. So now how you will make money from Amazon affiliate or affiliate marketing? Suppose you are reviewing products from the Amazon, and after you review the products, you will get a unique code from Amazon in your website. When you will get a unique code in your unique code from Amazon in your website, you can add that code in the product link. The more people will click in your product, the more they will buy, the more commission you will get from Amazon. Like Amazon, every website or most of the website have their affiliate programs. You can make good amount of money from those affiliate income. So number 7, if we talk about the sell photos online, you can create an additional source of income by learning how to sell photos online. Photo illustration sites as Pixel, Shutterstock, and other media outlets are willing to pay you quality photos and videos. You won't have to store anything at home apart from your camera and computer. These sites will take care of your marketing and selling your photos once you have uploaded them into their platform. If you run your photo business on Shopify, you can easily combine it with digital or on print on demand products like t-shirt and caps, offering even more passive income streams. Number 8, become an influencer or Instagram for good passive income. To become an influencer on Instagram and be able to encourage your followers to make purchases, you will need to build a community bringing together people with similar interest. Are you a comic book fan? Create an Instagram account and publish regular posts on latest Marvel and DC news. It is same whether you are a fan of sports, scuba diving, interior design. If you have a loyal and engaged community, you can derive several streams of passive income from it. Partner with small or large companies to promote their articles to your subscriber or sell your own products. Number 9, we can talk about the dropshipping store. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping is, suppose you have seen a computer or you have seen a weight loss product in AliExpress. The cost of that product is $5, but you want to sell that product in USA or Canada or other countries. What you have to do? You have to choose that product. You have to calculate the shipping fees, and also you have to talk with the supplier of that weight loss product company or weight loss product. You have to talk with the supplier. Then create a website for America or any country you are targeting. Promote your product and make the multiple profit. Like if this after the shipping, if the product price is 15, you can add it like $30. When you will get a order, just make the order to the Chinese supplier and they will ship the product. You will make the money. It's dropship store doesn't make money by cash on delivery. They make the payment advance and pay the bills to the AliExpress or supplier. That's how dropshipping works. What you need to do is create your own website, choose your supplier, import your product in your website, do the marketing, sell your product, make the profit. And number 10, we can talk about is investing. You can invest your money in any company you want. That company which is running well, and you can see their profit, you can see their gross margin. After lots of discussion and interesting parts, you can see you can invest your money to any company. Make sure you are becoming a part of profit and loss both, not only profit but profit and both loss. This is called business. So thank you for watching my video.